Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make the calculations in the matrix. The case 1, the costs are based on the lowest level, level 3, and it would be pretty simple. The cost would be the sum of the level 3. However, if you would like to include the cost based on the current level, and it would be a little bit more complicated. Case 2. So how it works? The first one level is filtered, for instance level 3, and it would show the sum for level 3. Then the level 2 is shown in the matrix. It would show the sum of level 2 plus the sum of level 3. And the same applies if it's level 1, so it will be shown the sum of level 1, level 2, and level 3. So the result are the following. For instance, the level 3, it would sum 40 plus 30 plus 10 and plus 25. It would be in total 105. And it should also sum the DAF cost, it's 18. However, the amount is higher. This is that it sum 4 times DAF, and this is not what we want to see. So we can use the case 3. And for it, we will create another measure and find the maximum for level 1, the maximum value for level 2, and the maximum value for level 3. And the final formula would be the following. So, if it's level 3, please show the sum. However, it would be the distinct for level 3. If it's level 2, it will show the sum of level 2 plus level 3, but only the distinct values. The same applies for level 1. If it's level 1, it will be shown the sum of level 1, level 2, and level 3. And only the distinct values. And in the end, this one, it's the total amounts shown in the matrix. So, 105 is for the lowest level, plus DAF, it's 18. It corresponds to 123, which is right, and this is what we wanted to achieve. The final result would be the following. We do have 307, so its mean, it calculates the lowest level for ingredients, all the cost, plus ingredients, the cost for the second level, but only the distinct values, 18, 7, and 12, and it will also add the total cost for a level 1, 100, only one time. And if you are a little bit, if the formula looks for you a little bit difficult, I would advise you to start with the same formula. Let me add it. Training. So, I would show you. So, I just edited, and this one shows level 3, this one shows level 2, and this one shows level 1, and with different amounts. So now, when you are seeing it, you understand which one line corresponds to which one volume, and you can play with this. There is also blanks in the matrix. So if you would just use one formula, it would be without blanks. How to achieve it? In the formula, just to indicate that if the level 3 is blank, please show blank. So this one corresponds to not show blank values for level 3. This one corresponds not to show the blanks for level 2. And this one corresponds to not show the blanks for level 1. And this one is our final formula, and good luck with that.